Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on exponential and logarithmic equations, and this video is going to focus on how to solve the logarithmic form. All right, so logs are exponents, and so what I'm going to do to solve this is I'm going to do these two differently. The first one is my most common method, and it's the one I'll do hereafter. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to say if these are exponents, because logs are exponents, and this is log base 10, then 10 to the power of log a equals 10 to the power of negative 1. Well, if they're inverses, if you take a log and then make it an exponent, they undo each other. So a is going to equal 10 to the negative 1, or 1/10. The other way of doing this, a variation of doing this is instead of rewriting this line, I can just directly make these exponents. The inverse of natural log is e. Natural log is log base e. So if I make these exponents, e to the natural log equals e cubed. Again, these are inverses. They undo each other, and I'm left with 7d minus 9 equals e cubed, which is 20.0855. Okay, so then I add 9 to both sides, and notice I went out really far on my decimal. You don't have to go out that far as long as you promise you will not clear your calculator. Divide by 7, and I get that d is equal to 4.155. The directions say round to 2 decimal places, so d is going to equal 4.16. Okay, so I said that I would do this one differently, and then I didn't, of course. I did the exact same idea of making these exponents. The other way you can do this, of course, is you can rewrite your logarithmic equation exponentially. This one, to me, is a little trickier if you're not really good at transferring between forms, but log base 5 of 10 to the b is literally saying 5 to what exponent is 10b, and the exponent is over here. So 5 to the 4th base to the exponent equals argument. I'm going to rewrite this. 5 to the 4th is 625, and then we divide by 10. So 62.5 is equal to b. It's honestly going to be the same thing as what we did right there. You're just rewriting it exponentially. So again, I could rewrite this exponentially. This is log base e. E to what exponent is 90 minus q. So the exponent is 5 because logs are exponents. E to the 5th is 90 minus q. Well, e to the 5th is 148.413. I'm going to subtract 90 from both sides, and I'm going to get 58. And because this is all adding and subtracting, I'm going to round to 2 decimal places at this point. Instead of 413, I'm just going to write 41 equals negative q, divide by that negative 1, and I get that negative 58.41 is equal to q. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!